Tsubaki is the world's top chain manufacturer. However, Tsubaki never rests on its laurels. Technology needs to evolve to thrive. Chain operations. Beyond chain. 100 years have passed since Tsubaki's founding. Tsubaki currently manufactures more than 20,000 kinds of chain. However, Tsubaki is more than just a chain manufacturer. In 1937, Tsubaki's materials handling systems operations began with the delivery of a complete set of large-scale conveyor plant equipment. By developing chain technology, Tsubaki controls the flow of goods and information, be it through conveyance, sorting, or management systems. Tsubaki goes beyond the bounds of chain to make actual conveying equipment, such as automatic sorting systems, picking systems, and warehouse management systems. You'll find Tsubaki in all areas of distribution sites. By speeding up the flow of goods and making improvements in efficiency, Tsubaki has revolutionized the logistics industry. You'll find Tsubaki in the newspaper production industry. Unmanned paper roll conveying equipment, automatic unpacking machines, and parcel sorting systems. These are just some of the products Tsubaki offers to automate factories and save labor. Number 1 share in Japan. Tsubaki can also be found in the automobile manufacturing process. Tsubaki provides automatic conveyance systems, zip chain lifters, and other equipment to automate manufacturing processes and improve efficiency. Tsubaki plays an important role in biomass power generation as an energy source for the future. Moreover, Tsubaki's Labo Stalker is the world's first high-tech freezer to completely revolutionize cancer research. Supporting an ultra-low temperature environment down to minus 150 degrees Celsius, Tsubaki's Labo Stalker manages tens of thousands of samples individually and retrieves them in an instant. This has made it possible for researchers to study cancer cells without any degradation. Making the world's first. The strong determination of Tsubaki engineers drives their product development. The flame of their determination will continue to burn for the next 100 years.